Hello everyone, I am Vaishnavi Pardeshi from Sanjeevani Arts, Commerce and Science College, currently pursuing my degree BBA in Finance. So today I will be talking about the three-tier architecture of DBMS. This architecture is widely used in modern applications because it makes database systems secure, easy and maintained and scalable. So let's understand how three-tier works together. Moving further to the next slide about three-tier architecture. The three-tier architecture is basically a client-server model that separates a DBMS into three different layers. Each layer has its own responsibility, and this separation makes the system more organized and reliable. So, the three layers are: the first layer is presentation layer, which is also called as the client layer, and the application or logic layer, and the last one is data tier, which is the database layer. Now let's discuss each of them one by one. Moving to the next slide, the first layer is the presentation tier. This is the user interface layer, meaning it's the part of that we directly interact with. Its main job is to display information to the users and take inputs from them. It doesn't process or store any data itself. A simple example is when you open a shopping app, the screen where you search the products, view details, and add items to the cart is a part of presentation tier. It's designed to be easy for the users to interact with. The second layer is the application tier, also called as the logic or business layer. This is where the actual processing takes place. It does the input coming from the presentation tier, applies rules, validations, and business logics, and then communicate with the database to get the required information. For example, in an online shopping app, this layer checks if the product is available, applies discount, and calculate the total amount before confirming your order. So basically it acts as a middleman between the user and the database. The third one and the final layer is the data tier or the database layer. This layer is fully managed by the DBMS, and it is responsible for the storing, retrieving, and updating the data. For example, all product detail, prices, customer information in a shopping app that are stored here. When you search for a product, the application tier requests the data from this layer. Then it's sent back to the presentation tier for you to see. This layer ensures that all information is stored securely and can be accessed whenever it is required. Moving further to the sixth slide, which explains the advantages. Now, why do we prefer this three-tier architecture? There are several benefits. First, it provides enhanced security because each layer is independent and can be secured separately. Second, it is easy to maintain and update. If you need to change something, you can modify it just one layer without disturbing the other. Third one is it is scalable, which means it can handle thousands or even millions of users at the same time. And lastly, it ensures the data integrity as the flow of the data is properly organized. To conclude, the three-tier DBMS architecture is secure, scalable, and reliable. That's why it is widely used in modern applications like online shopping, websites, banking systems, and social media platforms. By dividing the system into three clear layers, it makes development and maintenance much easier. So I hope this video makes you understand the three-tier architecture of DBMS. Thank you.